BSc 4th Sem Physics, Diffraction of Light by T. Satish, Associate Professor, Potential College, Kottur. In the last class, I have told about diffraction of light. What is diffraction? The phenomena of bending of light around the edges of obstacle or narrow slits, and hence its encroachment into the region of geometrical shadow is called the diffraction of light. Types of diffractions: Fresnel diffraction and Fraunhofer diffraction. So what do you mean by Fresnel diffraction is over? Next, what is Fraunhofer diffraction is over. Today I am going to tell about rectilinear propagation of light or Fresnel-Ohrid zones. Now let us consider the zone plate. Consider a plane wavefront ABCD of monochromatic light of wavelength lambda and producing in the direction of the arrow mark as shown in the figure. Here ABCD is the plane wavefront. There are three types of wavefronts: spherical wavefront, cylindrical wavefront and plane wavefront. So now I am considering the plane wavefront ABCD. This wavefront is perpendicular to the plane of the paper, like this. The wavefront will be like this. Let P is the external point. P is the external point at a distance B from the wavefront, at which resultant intensity due to the wavefront ABCD is to be determined. To calculate that intensity, to calculate the resultant intensity at P, the Fresnel, the scientist Fresnel divided the wavefront into number of zones called Fresnel-Ohrid zones. Here he made the zones: first zone, second zone, third zone, like that. Here small correction, there is a small correction. Here is the M1, M2 is okay. Here is the M3, M1, M2, M3, OM1, OM2, OM3, like that. So let us consider the point P. From that point, let us draw the circles by taking the radius of the sphere B plus lambda by 2, B plus 2 lambda by 2, B plus 3 lambda by 2. So you will get the concentric circles on the wavefront ABCD. Let OP is perpendicular to the wavefront, drawn concentric spheres with P as center and radii equal to B plus lambda by 2, B plus 2 lambda by 2, B plus 3 lambda by 2, etc., which will cut in concentric circles with center O and radii OM1, OM2, OM3, etc. This is wrong on the wavefront. These circular zones are called off-period zones. Each zone differs from its neighbor by the path difference lambda. If you consider the path difference, it becomes, the value will be lambda by 2. If you consider the phase difference, the value will be pi. If you consider time interval, t by 2. Now let us find out the area of the each circle. Let us consider one of the triangle. One of the first triangle, OM1 square plus OP square is equal to M1P square. OM1 square is equal to M1P square minus OP square. Now M1P is equal to B plus lambda by 2 and OP is equal to B. Here OP, the value of OP is B, and here is M1. This is M1. M1P is equal to B by lambda by 2. Next, substituting the values, b plus lambda by 2 minus b square, O m1 square is equal to, like this, O m1 square is equal to lambda square by 4 plus lambda by, here lambda square by 4 is negligible, hence the final value of radius of the first zone r1 is equal to OM1, that is equal to square root of b lambda. In general, the area of the circle is pi r square, pi into radius square. So you know the radius, substitute the radius here. So pi OM1 square, m1 whole square, so pi lambda b. In the similar way, let us consider the second triangle. Let us consider the second triangle. From that triangle, OM2 square is equal to m2p square minus op square. After that, you will get the value OM2 square is equal to 2bn. So now go for the radius. So say radius will be r2 is equal to OM2 is equal to square root of 2b lambda. The area of the second half-wave zone becomes pi OM2 square minus OMN square. So substitute the values of these two from equation 1 and equation 2, we will get lambda b times pi. Thus, the area of the each half-wave zone is equal to pi b lambda. If you consider any zone, first zone, second zone, third zone, the value will be same, that is pi b lambda. Next, radius. The radius of the first, second, third half-wave zones are square root of b lambda, square root of 2b lambda. Here b and lambda are constants, hence it can be read as the radius are proportional to the square root of the natural number 1, 2, 3, etc. The area of the zone depends on b and lambda. B and lambda. Lambda is the wavelength, b is the distance. B is the distance. The area of the each zone is same. The secondary wave reaching the point P are continuously out of phase and in phase with reference to the first half period zone. Here R1 will be upward direction, R2 is the downward direction, R3 is the again upward direction, downward direction. Positive, negative, you will get the positive, negative amplitude. So R1, R2, R3 etc. represents the amplitude of vibrations of the particle at P due to secondary waves. Here secondary, here is the secondary waves from first, second, third etc. of phase zones. Further, the amplitude decreases as the order of phase zones increases. So first half phase zone R1 is greater than R2 is greater than R3, that is the amplitude goes on decreases due to the path difference lambda by 2 or phase difference lambda between two consecutive zones. The displacement of odd numbers, first, second, third, fifth etc. zones are in the positive direction, and even number 2, 4, 6, 8 zones are in the negative direction. As the amplitudes are gradually decreasing magnitude, the amplitude at P due to any zone can be approximately taken as the mean of amplitude due to the zone preceding and succeeding. Preceding means increasing, succeeding means decreasing. So therefore R2 is equal to R1 plus R3 by 2. The resultant amplitude P is given by R is the total resultant amplitude of the complete zone A, B, C, D. So after substituting, you will get the value of the resultant amplitude at P due to whole wavefront ABCD is equal to R1 by 2. The intensity at a point is proportional to the square of the amplitude. Therefore, the intensity at P is equal to R1 by 2 whole square, that is equal to R1 square by 4. Finally, the intensity at P is only 1/4 of amplitude, that due to the first half period zone, Thank you.